So we're here at the Cricut booth, and we are showcasing our Explore 3. This machine has been out for a few months now, and it is twice as fast as its predecessor, and it uses what we call smart material. So in the past, when you've built something on a Cricut, you have to put it on a mat, you have to put the material on a mat and feed it through. This just goes straight into the machine. So you can do really long cuts, you eliminate that step of putting it onto a mat, and then you're cutting twice as fast as the 2.2 times faster than our last machine. So everything you see here was made using this Explore 3. So a variety of things that we have here. This is a coaster that we did with what's called infusible ink. So it's an ink that you can cut on the machine and then you use a heat tool to transfer it onto the coaster. You can see some of these paper crafts that we've done, these cute 3D cards that you can cut with a Cricut machine. These are so fun. I love these. This was actually made with our mug press, but we cut using the Explore, and then you put it in the mug press and it heat transfers onto the mug. These are fun because they're stackable, so you can do a design that kind of goes up through the whole stack. And then one of our just tried and true things people love to do is cut out vinyl and put it on water bottles. So you can personalize literally anything, water bottles being one that we really love to do. And then finally, something you might not think about on a crafting machine, we use our gold foil to create this little art piece. So there's just truly the only limit to this product is what you can imagine you can make.